for a longer eyebrow and a thick and full eyelashes, you're going to be needing fresh onion. Now if you can get hold of red onion, it's going to be perfect, because red onion is actually more concentrated than white onion. Okay, so it's going to get into the pores and into the follicles, and it's going to trigger the growth of the hair. Then it's going to make your hair grow long and very, very thick. Okay, so for the onion, you can blend it or you can grate it. For me, I'm just gonna be grating it. Okay, all right. Some onions are filled with a lot of water, while some are not. I think this onion. All right, so I'm gonna be grating it, or you can just blend it to ease all of the stress. Okay. Right now we're gonna be sieving this out, and we don't need too much of the onion juice. Okay, so I'm just gonna be needing just small juice, because obviously we're using it for the eyebrow. So this little is okay, and it's gonna go a long way. And after that, we're going to be making use of aloe vera. Aloe vera is one natural remedy that's perfect in growing hair, and it's also perfect for the skin. It helps for irritated skin, and it also gets into the hair follicles and repair it. Get rid of dandruff. So I'm gonna be pressing in the aloe vera into the bowl, and half tablespoon of aloe vera is gonna go a long way. Now we're going to be making use of vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. So I have the vitamin E oil, which I'm going to be using, and I also have the vitamin E capsule, which I'm actually just showing you. For now, I'm not going to be using it. Okay, so I'm only going to be using the oil, which is very healthy, and it helps so much for the hair. It grows a stunted and frizzy hair. It will therefore leave your hair full, healthy, and very, very strong. And also for the vitamin E, few drop of it will be okay. That will be equivalent to 1 capsule of that. And then we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Now coconut oil is an almighty remedy for the skin, for the hair, for the body. You can actually use it anywhere, everywhere. You can even use it to cook. So it helps for the hair so much. It strengthens the hair, it leaves the hair healthy and full, and it also repairs the hair follicles. And then for the coconut oil, few drops too will be okay. Okay, that is gonna be okay. Alright, so after that is done, we're going to be mixing it, and it's gonna be looking creamy and jelly. That is actually what we need. It's gonna be looking like this, and this is what we need, guys. Alright, I can actually keep it and use it for every evening, rub it on your eyebrow. Alright guys, so here is the gel. Okay, so you can actually turn this into a little container, and I'm gonna be using a brush to apply onto your eyebrow, just like that. And you're going to make sure that you apply it generously. Okay, so with this you can also apply it onto your eyelashes, just a little bit, or you can actually just close your eye and apply it onto your lash base like that. Okay, okay. So after that is done, you are good to go, guys. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up the video, and please share this video because it's going to be helpful. As you can see, I love my eyebrow because it's actually not very full, and that's why I'm on the journey of making it really full, but it's very healthy, like really healthy. I just shaped it and it's really lovely.